Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, body color door handles, chrome rear bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.